Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove the metal mechanical key from the 2016 Pilot fob by sliding the small latch and pulling it out because it exposes the seam. Once done, hold the fob with a cloth to prevent scratches and use a small flathead screwdriver at the seam to pry gently. Apply even pressure so the plastic doesn't crack. Make sure you work on a clear surface so parts don't roll away. This initial careful opening prevents costly damage later. Once the case halves separate, you'll see the round CR 2032 cell. Remove it slowly with a plastic pick so you don't short the contacts. This protects the fob circuit. Note the battery orientation. Usually the plus side faces up, and take a quick photo if you're unsure, because correct polarity matters. Before inserting the new cell, wipe the contacts with a small alcohol swab to remove corrosion. A clean contact ensures reliable voltage flow and better range after reassembly. You reassemble by aligning the two halves and pressing them together until they click, then slide the mechanical key back into place so it locks. Next, test the fob from a few feet away using lock and unlock. Make sure the vehicle responds. If there's no response, don't panic. Verify battery orientation and that contacts are clean and snug, then reseat the battery. If problems persist, try replacing the battery again or perform a simple resync by opening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.